you're looking for a lightweight dual sport that's just as comfortable on the trail as it is on the street, the 2026 Kawasaki KLX300 might be exactly what you need. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest bikes so you can find the ride that fits your life. Design. The KLX300 keeps its familiar rugged look, but for 2026, Kawasaki has cleaned up the bodywork just enough to feel fresh. The new graphics pop, the LED lighting adds a modern touch, and the overall build still screams durability. It's slim, tall, and purpose-built, exactly what a dual sport should be. Performance. Under the tank you'll find a 292 cubic centimetre liquid-cooled single that delivers smooth, usable power across the rev range. It's not going to blow you away with speed, but it shines when the road disappears. Lightweight and balanced, the KLX300 is incredibly nimble, and the suspension, long travel and fully adjustable, soaks up rocks, ruts, and daily bumps with ease. Features and tech. Kawasaki keeps it simple, and that's part of the charm. You get a digital dash with all the essentials, updated fuel mapping for a slightly crisper throttle, and standard ABS. It's the kind of bike you can ride without worrying about tech getting in the way. Just gear up and go. Conclusion. The 2026 KLX300 is everything a dual sport should be. Reliable, fun, and capable wherever you take it. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just hitting the trails on the weekend, this bike delivers without overcomplicating things. Thinking about picking one up? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more no-nonsense reviews on today's top motorcycles. See you in the next one.